So guys, this is the time you guys have all been waiting. Guys, hello, my name is Kenya and welcome back to my channel. Why is my arm up like this? I don't know, I feel like a mascot. Okay guys, but welcome back to my channel. Today I'm starting a new series. It's called Quick Bites and I'm super excited about it. These videos are 5 minutes or less. It gives me time for my smaller hauls to review new items that I'm doing, and today's new item is none other than Glamnetic. As you can see, your girl was not blessed with lashes, okay? But today, I want to get into Glamnetic. I want to review it. I want to see how easy it is to apply. I've really been looking far and wide for some easy to apply lashes. I don't want to package, my Glamnetic package. I got 3 different lash sets, and then I also got the magnetic liquid eyeliner. So Live-In. Then we've also got Luxe, and then today the one I'll actually be applying is Virgo. Now I have already taken them out of the package, and the anchor lashes are still in there, but as you can see, there's black strips there that you can use when it's time to put them back in there. And it's so cool how the lashes just boom, click on there, and it's nice Glamnetic liquid eyeliner. So the one that I have that comes with the kit, it comes with those 3 sets of lashes, has this really thin, let's see here, this really thin applicator, but I've since learned that they also have felt tip applicators. And so the felt tip might be a little bit easier because it is kind of like a Sharpie looking kind of applicator, whereas this one is like so precise. But guys, so with this liner, very important is making sure that you shake it up. Shake it up to make sure that all the ingredients that are in there that are very important are evenly distributed and haven't, you know, sunken anywhere into a dark place. And so as you can see, I've already applied my makeup. I've done everything minus mascara and liner and the lashes. So let's get started. So we're gonna first apply the Glamnetic liner. Okay guys, so I've done the first step, which is applying the magnetic eyeliner. Of course I'll get better and better with time, but I'm not a pro, so I did do that off camera. But one thing is, it was hard with the tip to be able to get it towards the corner, make sure that I applied enough, only because I have my lashes start to get longer there. But you do want to make sure that you apply it, they say as thick as the magnets on the eyelashes, so that when you go to put on the eyelashes, they will stick to the magnets. And that's really important thing to bring up. They say when it comes to the eyeliner is to make sure that it's at like 80% dry before you start applying the eyelash. Do a little test and make sure no eyeliner comes off, and if it is dry, then it is time to apply the lashes. This is Virgo, and so as you can see, is wispy. It's a little bit longer. I am all about the natural look, so that's why I got the Natural Bestsellers value kit. But as you can also see, and that's probably the best angle, is that there's 6 magnets. So guys, this is the time you guys have all been waiting, and I'm gonna try to get it. So what they say is not to go too close in the corner, because then you're gonna have the lashes itching you right there, so that's not good. So we're gonna place it, and I'm gonna see if I can get close so you guys can see, but literally I can feel it. Do you guys see that? It like wants to stick. So I'm gonna place it not too far in the inner corner. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, so I need to look at the regular mirror so that I can place it. Oh my god, guys, so I'm so excited. I've only done one and I'm already feeling myself, okay? And little old me, the person who has not applied lashes before, did it. A little test and just pull. And as you can see, these are not going anywhere. That is okay, Glamnetic. Okay, I hear you. I hear you and I see you. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed this quick bite, like, subscribe, guys. Follow me on Instagram. And bye.